Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your KD and win-loss ratio in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are in Call of Duty main menus, press the Options button on PS5 or the Menu button if you have an Xbox controller. This will bring up the Quick menu. Select Stats from the bottom left of the menu. Your public game multiplayer KD and win-loss ratio will be displayed here, as well as other stats. You can also switch view to Warzone, Zombies and Ranked Play. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Call of Duty tips and tricks.